Immune Booster, 2-Minute Lemon Ginger Tea. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. Boost your immune system with this super healthy and nutritious tea. It is also a quick remedy for sore throat, cold and flu. Lemon and ginger tea has a lot of health benefits and also a known fat burner for the weight loss journey. Here are the ingredients on how to make lemon ginger tea. 1/2 lemon, 1 inch ginger, 175 milliliters of warm water, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Here are the steps to make lemon ginger tea in 2 minutes. Step 1. Washington peel and cut grate ginger into a cup. Step 2. Add warm water and leave it for 1 minute. Step 3. Squeeze lemon in a strainer into the cup. Step 4. Add a teaspoon of honey and stir. And finally you can now sieve and serve the tea. Reasons why you should drink it? Because it can boost your immune system. It brings instant relief from nausea and indigestion. It lowers the effects of diabetes. It is your one-stop drink to perfect skin and great hair. It is the apt drink for weight loss. Watch our other healthy tips videos below and find out the proven natural remedies to treat viral infections at home. Feel free to share our videos to other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Healthy Lifestyle works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.